Today we're plunging into Alaska's wild heart, a land where nature reigns, secrets sleep beneath the ice, and adventure calls to every explorer's soul. Gear up, our Alaskan journey begins now. Our first stop, a journey into the heart of the Arctic, takes us to a land where the nights are long and the skies are a canvas for the extraordinary. The Alaskan night, a realm of profound darkness punctuated by the brilliance of a million stars. It's a place where the ordinary fades away, and the magic of the natural world takes center stage, where the aurora borealis ignites the sky, a spectacle of light and color that dances and shimmers, painting the darkness with ethereal beauty. Out here, far from city lights, where the silence is broken only by the whisper of the wind and the occasional howl of a wolf, ribbons of green and purple swirl overhead, a breathtaking display of cosmic energy interacting with our atmosphere, a celestial dance that's inspired legends for centuries, tales of gods and spirits, of pathways to other realms, all woven into the fabric of human imagination. Indigenous peoples saw spirits and omens in these lights, a connection to the ancestors, a sign of things to come, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. Today, travelers brave the cold for a glimpse of this magic, seeking not just a visual spectacle but a profound experience that touches the soul. The conditions must be perfect, a delicate balance of atmospheric elements aligning in just the right way. Clear skies, solar storms, patience. A waiting game that can test your resolve, but the reward is beyond measure. But when the aurora erupts, when the sky explodes with color and movement, every shiver is worth it. The cold fades away, replaced by a sense of wonder and awe that warms you from the inside out. This isn't just a light show, it's more than just pretty colors dancing in the sky. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the universe, a connection to something larger than ourselves, a glimpse into the infinite. Alaska's soul is painted across the night sky, a memory you'll never forget, a story etched into your heart, a reminder of the magic that exists in the world. Now, imagine the opposite, the midnight sun. In summer, places like Utqiagvik bask in sunlight for over 80 days. No darkness, just endless day. Life adapts. Kids play at midnight, fishermen cast lines at 2 a.m., and blackout curtains are essential. For adventurers, it's a golden ticket. 24 hours to hike, kayak, and explore. But it's a challenge too. Fatigue sneaks up and discipline is key. The midnight sun is surreal, energizing, and uniquely Alaskan. It's freedom, and a test of your limits. Alaska's size is staggering. Twice Texas, bigger than Texas, California, and Montana combined. Its coastline outstretches all other U.S. states put together. Most of Alaska is untouched wilderness. Mountains, forests, tundra, glaciers. You can travel for days without seeing another soul. Here, nature rules. Human settlements are tiny islands in a wild sea. Every region is a new world. Rainforests, plains, mountains. Wildlife thrives and the land demands respect. To survive here, you must understand the scale and embrace the wild. Alaska is sculpted by over 100,000 glaciers, ancient rivers of ice that shape the land. Stand before a glacier and you're face to face with millennia-old ice, glowing blue under immense pressure. Glaciers are alive, creaking, groaning, calving thunderously into the sea. Trekking them is a challenge, crevasses, shifting ice, and hidden dangers. But the reward? Ice caves like crystal cathedrals, views that defy belief. These glaciers are also vanishing, powerful reminders of our changing climate. They're not just scenery, they're the pulse of our planet. Alaska is a wildlife haven. Grizzlies fishing for salmon, moose wading through wetlands, bald eagles soaring overhead. These animals are wild, unpredictable, and demand respect. Encounters are thrilling, heart-pounding, unforgettable. Beyond the big three you'll find Dall sheep, wolves, lynx, sea otters, and more. The land is alive, a web of predator and prey. For nature lovers it's paradise, for everyone it's a privilege. Stay alert, every rustle could be a fox or a 1,000-pound bear. Here, you're a guest in their world. In winter, Alaska hosts the Iditarod, the last great race on Earth. Mushers and sled dogs race over 1,000 miles of brutal terrain, echoing a legendary 1925 Serum Run. It's a test of endurance, teamwork, and survival. The bond between musher and dog is unbreakable. The dog's care comes first. Fans track the race across wild checkpoints, cheering on resilience and grit. Crossing the finish line in Nome is a triumph of spirit. The Iditarod is Alaska's heart. Untamed, relentless, unforgettable. Scattered across Alaska's seas are forbidden islands, nature's sanctuaries, off-limits to humans. These places protect vulnerable wildlife, seabirds, walruses, sea lions. Even a human scent can disrupt fragile colonies. The mystery of these untouched lands is powerful, a reminder that some places are best left wild. Restraint is the adventure here, choosing to protect, not possess. Alaska's forbidden islands are a symbol of true conservation. Alaska's history is gilded with gold. The Klondike Gold Rush changed everything. Thousands risked all braving deadly trails and brutal winters for a shot at fortune. Most found only hardship, a lucky few struck it rich. The echoes remain historic towns abandoned, dredges legends of hope and grit. The Gold Rush forged Alaska's independent spirit. Today, you can walk those same boardwalks and feel the ambition in the air. Gold fever put Alaska on the map and shaped its soul. Long before the lure of gold and the Klondike Rush, Alaska was already a vibrant tapestry, home to diverse indigenous peoples, each with their own distinct territories and ways of life. These communities thrived for millennia, each with unique languages, traditions, carefully honed over generations, and deep, unbreakable ties to the land, a connection that shaped their culture and sustained their existence. Their survival in this challenging environment is a masterclass in ingenuity, a testament to their adaptability and resourcefulness. They developed sophisticated hunting techniques, perfectly adapted to the rhythms of the seasons and the movements of the animals, constructing ingenious shelters that provided warmth and protection from the harsh elements, and possessing an encyclopedic knowledge of nature, understanding the properties of plants, the behavior of animals, and the secrets of the land. Art and culture are not separate entities but are intricately woven into the fabric of daily life, expressing their values and beliefs. Through the carving of totem poles, the rhythmic pulse of drumming, and the intricate beauty of beadwork, and through stories passed down for millennia carrying the wisdom and history of their ancestors. These are not just relics of the past, but living traditions, constantly evolving and adapting to the present, not frozen in time. Visiting Alaska means having the opportunity to learn from its first peoples, to gain a deeper understanding of their world. Seeing the land not just as a resource to be exploited but as sacred, a source of life and spiritual sustenance. Their wisdom, accumulated over countless generations, is Alaska's greatest treasure, a gift to be cherished and protected. The heart of Alaska beats strong, fueled by native resilience, a spirit that has endured and continues to thrive. Denali, the Great One, towers above Alaska, the highest peak in North America. Its vertical rise is more dramatic than Everest, and its weather is legendary hurricane winds, deadly cold. Climbing Denali is a true test, weeks on the mountain, crevasse-riddled glaciers, brutal isolation. Only half reach the summit, all are changed by the attempt. Even from below, Denali's presence is magnetic. The park offers wild tundra roaming bears and awe-inspiring views. Denali is more than a mountain, it's Alaska's untamable spirit. Alaska's remote villages are islands of humanity in a sea of wilderness, reachable only by bushplane or boat. Isolation shapes life, supplies are precious, resourcefulness is survival. Subsistence hunting and fishing connect people to the land and their ancestors. Community is everything. Neighbors are lifelines. Visiting is an expedition. Arriving feels like stepping into another world. Life moves to the rhythm of weather and seasons, not the clock. These villages are a testament to human resilience. Beneath Alaska lies permafrost ground frozen for millennia, shaping the land and challenging engineers. Buildings stand on stilts, pipelines are elevated to keep the ground frozen. Permafrost is a time capsule, preserving mammoths, ancient tools, and secrets of the Ice Age, but it's thawing fast, warping roads, sinking buildings, and releasing greenhouse gases. The melting permafrost is both a scientific wonder and an environmental warning. It holds the past and threatens the future. Alaska's foundation is shifting beneath our feet. Alaska's seas are alive with giants, a mesmerizing spectacle that draws visitors from across the globe. These nutrient-rich waters provide a vital habitat. Humpbacks, with their acrobatic displays and soulful songs, are frequent stars of the show. Orcas, the ocean's apex predators, command attention with their intelligence and social complexity. Seeing a pod of orcas is an experience you won't soon forget. Even blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, grace these waters with their presence, a testament to the region's ecological importance. Humpbacks breach, launching their massive bodies out of the water in a breathtaking display of power and grace. And bubblenet feed, a cooperative hunting technique that showcases their remarkable intelligence and teamwork. Orcas slice through the waves, their sleek black and white bodies a striking contrast against the deep blue sea. And every sighting, whether it's a fleeting glimpse or an extended encounter, is unforgettable, etching itself into your memory forever. Whale watching is a lesson in patience, a test of your observational skills and a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level. Scanning the horizon for a misty blow, the telltale sign that a whale is nearby, is part of the thrill. When you find them, silence falls. A hush descends over the boat as everyone is captivated by the majestic creatures before them. You're in the presence of something ancient and immense, a connection to the natural world that transcends words. These waters are a sanctuary for the world's largest creatures, a place where they can thrive and continue their ancient migrations. Every encounter is a reminder of the wildlife beneath the waves, a hidden world teeming with wonder and mystery. Alaska's ocean is as untamed as its land, a vast and awe-inspiring wilderness that will leave you breathless. Alaska has its own Bermuda Triangle, a region where people and planes vanish without a trace. The Alaska Triangle's disappearances are legendary, thousands lost since the 1970s. Harsh weather, vast wilderness, and glaciers can swallow anything. Some blame energy vortexes or spirits from Tlingit folklore, rational or supernatural, the mystery endures. The unknown is part of Alaska's allure, and its danger. Here the wild keeps its secrets. Alaska's weather is the ultimate wild card. Life and death can hinge on a sudden storm. Winters bring minus 60 degrees, whiteouts, and relentless cold. Summers offer endless sun, but also torrential rain, fog, and swarms of mosquitoes. Survival demands preparation, adaptability, and respect for nature's fury. Facing the elements is part of the adventure. In Alaska, you don't conquer the weather, you learn to live with it. The wild always has the final say. Our Alaskan journey ends, but the wild spirit lives on. If this adventure stirred your soul, join our crew, subscribe and fuel the next expedition. Together, we'll keep exploring, protecting, and celebrating the world's wildest places. Stay strong and stay wild.